Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another Tips from Tiffany. Hope everybody had a great week. It's been a hot one here. Today we're going to talk about turning your devices to airplane mode. Now that you're on the ship and it's heading out to sea to take you to your destinations, you want to make sure that you have your devices on airplane mode. I know there's been a time when Chris forgot about his laptop and we were worried about the roaming charges, but you definitely don't want to come home to a huge cell phone bill. Depending on how you have your laptop or your iPads and stuff like that. Definitely want to make sure that you turn them into airplane mode so that you don't have those roaming charges, because those can get pretty expensive. And like I said, you don't want that shock bill when you get back. So make sure that your phones, laptops, iPads, anything that can turn to airplane mode, that you do turn it into airplane mode. Even when you get into the ports and stuff, if you take them out of airplane mode, make sure that you turn them back into that mode. That way, when you head back out to your next destination, you're not getting those roaming charges as well. So like I said, short, quick tip video today. Hope everybody's having a great weekend and relaxing a little bit and planning your next cruise. If you have any tips or tricks that you'd like to see about or hear about, please leave those in the comments. And as always, we will see you out on the high seas.